Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all please subscribe to my channel. Share these videos out. It would help me greatly. Please leave your thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me your comments. I would love to hear from you. A quick update on my wife. Y'all know she was supposed to come home today. They called me this morning and she's having a lot of chest pain and she can't breathe. That was about an hour ago when they called, and well, an hour ago from now. It was about 9:30 when they called me. But they're on the way down to the cath lab with her again to see what's going on. Y'all please continue to pray. I ain't seen my wife in 4 days now, and it's driving me crazy. They won't let anyone in the hospital on account of COVID. Y'all please keep her in your prayers. This is going to be a short update today, and please stay until the end because I got two announcements that you're going to want to hear. And it don't matter if you're subscribed or not, you're going to want to hear these two announcements. Welcome back to the ongoing saga of the Senate and the White House. Before we get into the stimulus stuff, I had a thought about reopening the public schools. If the President and the Senate wants to ensure the public that reopening the schools is safe this fall, I would like to see them pull their kids out of private school and get rid of their private tutors and send their own kids to public school and use the regular school bus for transportation. I mean, hey, if it's good enough for our kids, shouldn't it be good enough for their kids? It's just a thought. The fight heats up in the Senate and in the White House over the next package. And this whole time, Nancy Pelosi in the House is sitting back just thinking, what are these fools doing? Just like us. Mitch McConnell had a speech on the Congress floor, and it's three things that he didn't even mention in his speech. And that is payroll tax cuts. We know that they do not want them. I don't either. State and local government. We know that Mitch McConnell does not want any more funding for state and local government. I think they need funding, but there's a better way to do it. If they fund us, then we would have money to spend and they would be funded. Evictions and foreclosures. Landlords is facing foreclosures. Renters is facing evictions, and it wasn't even mentioned in his speech. Y'all, that's just some things to think about. That's all I got on that, but I got two announcements that I want to make. In the next few days, I'm going to be rolling out a contest. It's a $1,000 giveaway straight to your PayPal account. Details will be coming soon. You don't want to miss this. And you have to be subscribed to this channel to be a part of this contest. And you have to watch the videos to be a part of the contest. Details are coming in the next couple of days. This morning I crossed over 50,000 subs on this channel. Right now I'm almost at 50,300. I want to thank you all for that. Without you, I wouldn't have a channel, and I'm so grateful for it. But y'all please come back when I'm gonna make a video of the details of this contest. And the thumbnail will say $1,000 giveaway. Y'all click on that, and I want you to save that link to that video, and I'll tell you why. Y'all, please keep my wife in your prayers. As you see, I can hardly think. I'm having trouble with this. But y'all, please keep her in your prayers. Please like and share this channel out. And I love you all. And I'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Love you all. Ciao.